Welcome to Headphone News, Science and Technology Edition for Wednesday, January 1st, 2025.
U.S. stock market soars amid AI boom and rate cuts. The U.S. stock market is soaring, driven by a surge in artificial intelligence and significant interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. As 2024 comes to a close, major indices like the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq are approaching record highs, marking a strong finish for the second consecutive year. The Fed's nearly 1% cut in interest rates has boosted corporate profits, especially in tech sectors benefiting from AI. Nvidia's stock has skyrocketed by almost 170% this year, reaching a market value of $3 trillion, while Tesla has reclaimed a market value of $1 trillion. Despite some concerns about a potential market drop, analysts remain optimistic, raising price targets for various stocks. Donald Trump's recent presidential win has further fueled investor confidence, leading to a notable rise in smaller companies. However, December brought challenges, with the S&P 500 facing its largest monthly drop since April due to rising U.S. Treasury yields. As we head into 2025, traders expect the Fed's first rate cut of the year, while Bitcoin prices have hit $100,000, reflecting a complex mix of economic factors and political shifts.
Beijing's push for self-driving cars. Beijing is taking the lead in promoting self-driving cars with new regulations set to start on April 1, 2025. This initiative aims to boost the rollout of smart vehicles in public transportation, including buses and taxis. Authorities will allow self-driving cars that pass safety tests to apply for trials. Wuhan is also getting on board, approving similar rules to support smart cars, with at least 19 cities in China currently testing this technology. Companies like Apollo Go, a subsidiary of Baidu, plan to deploy 1,000 robot access in Wuhan by the end of 2024. Meanwhile, Pony.ai aims to expand its fleet of robot access from 250 to over 1,000 across the U.S. by 2026. This push for self-driving cars reflects China's ambition to lead in transportation technology, enhancing safety and efficiency while tackling traffic jams. Imagine a future where your taxi drives itself. It's closer than you think.
Exciting Quadrantid meteor shower in January 2025. Get ready for a dazzling show in the night sky. The Quadrantid meteor shower will peak in January 2025, offering an amazing display of brilliant streaks of light. Best viewed from the northern hemisphere, this celestial event will happen before dawn on a Friday, making it a perfect chance for skywatchers to enjoy the wonders above. Unlike other meteor showers, the Quadrantids last for only 6 hours, so don't miss out. As Earth passes through clouds of space dust from asteroid 2003 EH1, these bits of rock light up in the atmosphere, creating what we love to call shooting stars. Named after an old constellation near the Big Dipper, the Quadrantids promise a memorable experience. Following this event, the next major meteor shower will be the Lyrids in April 2025. So, find a dark spot with a clear view of the sky and prepare for an unforgettable night. Who wouldn't want to witness a sky filled with shooting stars?
U.S. Treasury Department's Hydrogen Initiative. The U.S. Treasury Department is making strides to promote hydrogen as a clean fuel of the future. They plan to release guidance on tax incentives for hydrogen production under the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022, expected in December 2024. These new rules will clarify how hydrogen produced from nuclear energy can qualify for credits ranging from 60 cents to $3 per kilogram, depending on pollution levels. This initiative aims to boost funding for hydrogen technology, which is crucial for reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change. Various stakeholders are involved, including environmental advocates who want hydrogen to come solely from new clean energy sources, while nuclear power producers seek to include existing plants. Michael Martinez from the Treasury Department emphasizes that finalizing these rules is a top priority. As the world moves toward sustainable energy solutions, hydrogen's role as a clean fuel is becoming increasingly vital. Imagine a future where hydrogen powers our homes and vehicles. This is the energy revolution unfolding before us.
BMW and Yamaha Motor invest in rare earth startup. BMW and Yamaha Motor are making waves with their investment in Phoenix Tailings, a startup in the U.S. that focuses on processing rare earth elements. These metals are crucial for making magnets used in electric vehicles and electronics, and this move aims to boost production outside of China, which has long held the market. Phoenix Tailings claims to have developed a new method that reduces pollution while producing these essential materials from both mined and recycled sources. Recently, they raised $43 million in a second round of investment, which will help build a $13 million facility in Exeter, New Hampshire, set to produce 200 metric tons of rare earths each year by June 2025. With contracts totaling over $100 million already secured, this investment highlights the growing importance of rare earths in the automotive and tech industries. As demand for electric vehicles rises, the U.S. government is also stepping up efforts to support domestic production of critical minerals, making this venture even more significant.
That is all the news for today. Thank you for listening to today's headphone news. News summary brought to you by AI.